Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for May 8th, going into the 11th. We'll start off with natural gas. We rallied a bit and rolled back over here today. The trade back above 276.90. I brought in trade up to 288.30 and project this upper 115 ticks. We attained 114 ticks with that shaved, so it's basically attained. Could see more of that though. Then the trade above 272.50. I said warrants of decent strength again, and we saw strength up to 284.50. And the trade above 276.40 also brought in strength up there. And then I said the trade above 279.10 would warrant of continued strength, but we did not see much of that. We only saw a run up to here before failing back below that line. So that line is now negated. Decent trade above this formation right here. A warrant of decent strength. That's going to come in at 282.80. 282.80 minus 0.5 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Decent trade below this lower line down here is going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 267 minus 0.6 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. In the crude oil, Monday has a good likelihood of seeing a range expansion. A maintained gap higher will leave a minor bullish reversal below. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. The trade below 104.56 brought in $15.90 of pressure. The trade below 103.79 brought in $15.13 of pressure. On 5-6, we left a bearish reversal above, and then the trade below, the trade back above 995.52 right in here. I said now warrants a strength. So we came up here, came down towards a stop, but still held it and just settled right in here. I would keep in mind that the heating oil is bullish. Still expecting higher trade. If we take out this formation above, that's going to warrant a continued strength. That's going to come in at 98.84. Minus 7 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we take out this formation below, it's going to come in at 91.92 plus 3.5 per hour. That's going to warrant a decent pressure. But I would caution, if we did take that out, there's possible exhaustion levels down below that we'll have to contend with on the way down. In the RBOB, similar picture. We left a minor to medium bearish reversal above there on Wednesday. The maintained gap higher on Monday would leave a minor bullish reversal below. In the RBOB, the failure below 363.11 brought in 41.27 cents of pressure. Trade below 360.07 brought in 31.38 cents of pressure. If we see an additional break below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 340.71 plus 11 per hour starting at, hang on a second here, bear with me just a moment. That is plus 16 per hour. Excuse me. Trade below 340.71 plus 16 per hour will warrant a decent pressure. And the heating oil, similar situation, left a minor to medium bearish reversal above here. Although today is a near, leaving a near minor bullish reversal below. But we really haven't taken out 395.41 yet definitively. If we take that out, it should open up the upside a little bit more to the. Okay. And in the heating oil, the trade below 407.84 brought in 52.46 cents of the pressure warned about. Some other bearish calls in here. Those are all on hold. Then the trade back above 372.33 minus 40 per hour brought in 24.67 cents of the strength we're looking for above. That was break back above this line right here. Now we're resting right underneath this line. If we take that line out decently, that's going to warrant a decent strength. That's going to come in at 388.09 minus 23 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And a decent penetration in there over the weekend is going to be 689 ticks up until the open on Monday. Maintain gap lower, will leave a minor bearish reversal above. Decent failure below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 366.30 plus 13 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That will warrant a decent pressure for 10.5 cents minimum, 46 cents plus maximum. Really, I'd like to see like a 400 tick bounce off that initially, at least before breaking below. Also, if we break above this line decently and back down through it decently, look for decent pressure to come in. In the Brent, similar picture. We left a minor to medium bearish reversal above a couple of days ago. Monday has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintain gap higher on Monday will leave a minor bullish reversal below, but that'll be more effective once / if we take out 109.60 in the process. And the Brent, the trade below 113.13, brought in 16.38 cents of pressure. That's on hold. And then the trade back above 1even.94 minus 11 per hour. Now warrants a strength. We only saw a run up to 103.88 before rolling over and kind of chopping down above it, but we're still bullish as we are still above it. If we fail back down below it, that line comes in at 98.36 minus 11 per hour. That will negate the bullishness above it, but that would not be a line I would lean against this or initiate a short against again on the downside. Okay, in the gas oil, we also left a minor to medium bearish reversal above. Maintain gap higher on Monday. We'll leave a minor bullish reversal below. That'll be more effective once / if we take out 12.11.50 in the process. Decent trade below 1097.46 plus 47 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Sunday. That'll warrant decent pressure. And going into Monday over the weekend, the heating oil is the strongest of the three. The RBOB in the middle and the crude, the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next podcast.